today I'm going to show you how to make this paper boat. So you'll need an A4 piece of paper, then you fold it, then you fold it again, then you open it and do this. So you do this, then you do this from both sides, and then this piece you fold it in, and then you open it and do this, and then bring this and put it here. And then you open it again and fold it like that, and you open it and you have your boat, and you can decorate it like you want. So now you can decorate it any way you want, like this jewel. And you can write your name on it, and you can do anything you want. So now this is how it looks. Please subscribe, like and share.